Knowledge 10. I had a thought which I wanted to share. It is important for Muslims to understand that their worldly knowledge, irrespective of how much they possess, is not enough to gain success in their religious life. Even though gaining useful worldly knowledge is praiseworthy according to the teachings of Islam, as it is an excellent means for one to obtain lawful provision for themselves and their dependents, yet it is not enough to safely guide them through their religious life. For example, in most cases, worldly knowledge will not teach someone how to safely journey through a difficulty or a test in a way which pleases Allah, the Exalted, so that they gain reward in both worlds. The obligatory duties and traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, cannot be acted on by a Muslim who only possesses worldly knowledge. In fact, religious knowledge has the power to guide one to success in both worlds, whereas worldly knowledge will only aid someone in this world. The one who possesses religious knowledge will adhere to the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, which will result in such blessings and grace that they will find success in both worlds. Whereas, worldly knowledge will inspire one to deduce their own path in religion, instead of acting according to the teachings of the rightly guided, namely, the righteous predecessors. Religion is not too about creating one's own path, it is simply to adhere to Islamic teachings. Unfortunately, many Muslims who possess worldly knowledge do not realize this important point, which only reduces their chances of achieving success in both worlds. Therefore, Muslims should strive to obtain and act on both religious and useful worldly knowledge if they desire success in both worlds. This is why gaining useful knowledge is a duty on all Muslims, according to a narration found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 224.